Welcome to the Weather Center. Here on the latest satellite picture, we are seeing some storm clouds that brought us isolated to scattered thunderstorms throughout Saturday across the eastern half of the country, where we are going to stay with unsettled weather through the night as we head into Sunday. Otherwise, we had just a few patches of cloud popping up over the southern interior on Saturday afternoon, and we stayed with mostly clear skies for much of the northern and western Cape provinces. Now, on Sunday, we are going to see this area of high pressure driving rain-bearing clouds into the eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas, where rainy weather is expected from early in the morning. Then later on in the day, we are going to see isolated to scattered thunderstorms once again across the Free State, Northwest and the rest of eastern South Africa. It's going to be sunny for the western parts of the country. Now, you will need to watch out for severe thunderstorms on Sunday, where you see the shade of amber across much of eastern South Africa. The storms in these parts of the country could produce large hail and damaging winds in places. We are expecting light to moderate winds for your Sunday across much of South Africa. Fresh winds, however, for Durban and Richards Bay, and mostly southeasterlies from the Cape Peninsula into the East London area. Now, let's take it closer to your part of South Africa. It's going to be mostly sunny and warm to hot for the bulk of the Northern Cape, but thundershowers are possible for the eastern parts of the province. In the Western Cape, we're going to see mostly sunny skies with warm to hot temperatures for most areas. Cape Town should hit the 30-degree mark in the afternoon. We are expecting partly cloudy skies for much of the Southern Cape, with thundershowers possible for Somerset East, where a high of 24 is expected. We are going to see rain and thundershowers across much of the Eastern Cape, where temperatures in the upper teens and lower 20s are forecast for much of the province. Isolated to scattered thunderstorms are forecast for the northeastern areas of KwaZulu-Natal. Otherwise, it's going to be cloudy and rainy for the rest of the province, including Durban, where a high of 25 is forecast for your Sunday afternoon. We are going to see unsettled weather persisting across much of the Mpumalanga province, a warm 25 for the high in Mbombela. Isolated thundershowers are also forecast across much of the Limpopo province, a warm 28 for the high in Polokwane, but it's going to be sizzling hot for Messina with a high of 39 degrees. We are going to see isolated thundershowers as well for much of the northwest, where temperatures in the lower 30s are forecast for much of the province. In the Free State, there is going to be a chance of thundershowers in most areas, with temperatures around 31 degrees for Bloemfontein and Felcom. Gauteng should also see passing showers on a Sunday afternoon, with a high of 27 forecast for Johannesburg. And now, looking ahead to the first day of the coming week, it's going to be mostly sunny and warm to hot for the western areas. Rain and thunderstorms are forecast for the eastern half of the country. Then on Tuesday, it's going to be pretty unsettled for much of South Africa. Light rain for George. Cape Town should be partly cloudy, dry and warm.